What's up, YouTube? Pick the Kicks back with another exclusive Kicks review. I wanted to make a quick video on how to tell if your Jordans are fake. Here I have the Air Jordan 12 Reverse Blue Game. I'm examining the shoes right now. As you can see, I'm inside the shoe store. I'm not going to mention the name. We want to make sure that the toe box is smooth, has no gaps, no bridges, no bumps. Of course, I'm checking out the stitching, the lacings is on point. The T has an imperfection, as well as the Jumpman logo has some terrible stitching. As you can see, as I go down the shoes, everything looks structurally sound. Of course, I look at the outsole. You always want to check the carbon fiber. Make sure that it's actual carbon fiber and it's hard, it's not plastic. The ridges on the outsole is perfectly aligned. Looking at the midsoles, the eyelets are on point. Of course, they changed it from the OG ones. Everything is on point, especially for the inside. This is the key feature that you want to look at, the UPC code. All authentic, real, genuine Jordans have a UPC code. And if you scan that UPC code or the QR code, it should pull up the shoe. If it doesn't, then it's fake. And of course, you know, I'm inside the shoe store, you want to have some bad quality Jordans that will come through from time to time. So you always want to make sure you inspect your shoes. As I continue, as you can see, I'm looking at the midsoles, everything on point. The glue looks terrible in my opinion, but it could be better. The stitching, the zigzag stitching is okay. I've seen better consistency with other pairs of Jordans. Overall, I would not purchase the shoes, and of course I did not purchase the shoes because it had too much bad quality in my opinion. 23 aligns perfectly, and you always want to check the consistency of the paint job. If this video helped you out, please like it, subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, put them down below. I'm out.